guys, today I'm going to take a little break from the engine and I'm focusing mostly on reconditioning the parts that I already have. I want to paint them, at least. You can see it's not just dirty. Even if I'm just cleaning it up, it's not gonna look too good, you know what I mean? It's gonna get dirty pretty soon because of these this texture. So I'm going to use some black high gloss spray, or just glossy, not high gloss. It's a high temperature one, so it's not gonna be a problem in the engine. What I'm going to do now, just to remove these bolts, clean the whole surface, see if there's any debris inside the alternator, and yeah, later on I'm going to start painting it. I already prepared some of the stuff right here. That's gonna hold the motor mount. As you can see, it's already started to rust, so it's better to give a fresh coat of paint. Also the water piping, the thermostat housing, yeah, thermostat housing, and some other parts like the starter cover and other miscellaneous parts that I can still find here and there. Alright, let's focus on the alternator right now. Okay, since I don't have the impact wrench, but I'm going to need to undo this bolt, have to put it aside and continue with this whale catch can, I think. So I'm going to remove the hoses, clean this off, clean most of the surface, and I'm going to start painting them. And in a couple of minutes, almost all of them is gonna look just like this. The fresh new black glossy paint.
find you.
So one AutoZone spray can like this was enough to paint all of these twice. So for $10 or $12, I don't know for sure how much I paid. I think it's pretty good. And you know, for the parts in the engine bay, you don't need perfect paint job. Maybe I'm gonna put some more over there. I know guys, today's video wasn't the longest or the most informative or with the most progress, but I'm glad I managed to do it. Probably in the next video I'm continue building the engine, since I have them painted, these parts. I can put it back to where it's belong. So I made a step further and I'm glad I did it. Have a good Sunday guys. See you guys in the next video.